Well, hello, my YouTube friends. Today we are having a look at two coal trains departing from power at the mine and at the power station. The one from the mine is fully loaded, and the one from the power station, of course, is empty. And they cross at Waterkloof. Here we see the one departing from Disa Star mine, and it is exiting the staging yard that is used to represent the mine area, although there's a bit of mine area modeled. And here we can see it entering into Bloemfontein on the main line, having been given a green all clear signal, and the route indication is showing main line. And in the backdrop we can see the mine. The open pit mining activities happening with some big yellow heavy mining machinery doing their job, bringing the coal, and then it's loaded into the railway trucks and sent off to go to the power station, where it is used to generate electricity that keeps the wheels turning. Here we are exiting Bloemfontein, and the backdrop is a photograph of the city of Bloemfontein in South Africa. So if you stand on Naval Hill, which is a very famous landmark in that city, then you will have that view looking towards the power station in Bloemfontein. Here we are entering Vlakteplaas, which is a little Karoo town. In the foreground you can see a mechanical refrigerator and a stock car that is at the abattoir, where there's also a feedlot. And to the right you can see an electric unit standing there dead, and behind the electric unit is a grain silo and a fruit packing facility. Here we can see part of the steam facility, where it is still a hand-operated or manual coaling stage. A gondola loaded with coal is pushed up the ramp. The steam loco is parked underneath it, and a manual labourer with a shovel shovels coal down onto the locomotive tender. And believe it or not, those were quite common on small stations in South Africa. And here we have the empty train once it's deposited its coal at the power station, leaving the ex-Dom power station, and it's called Magiepupi. Now, in South Africa, there's a power station by the name of Madupi, and there was an explosion a couple of years ago while they were still constructing it. And those who know Afrikaans will be able to see the word play. And here we are coming down the incline into the curve behind East London Harbour with the empty coal train from the power station. And still behind East London Harbour, we are now rounding the curve at the entrance, a nice S-curve. You can see the super elevation of the track with the trucks leaning to the left and then to the right as they take the curve in the opposite direction. And from here they enter into Aloes, which is one of the major industrial areas where vehicles or automobiles are being manufactured. And here we see the train again coming past the East London entrance to the harbour, and then down the main line at Aloes, passing the little station, because there was just a very small station building at Aloes. And we are continuing down the main line and then coming to a halt while the full or loaded coal train in the background departs, coming down the incline that is hidden behind the backdrop. And here the empty coal train continues out of Alice, out of Aloes, not Alice. And we can see a little farm scene in the foreground with a tractor with a bale of hay feeding the sheep, and a dam with a few ducks swimming on the dam by the wind pump. And then we will be rounding the curve and entering into Waterkloof. And there's Waterkloof. You can see the signal set to green indicating mainline, and the tracking in operation again, switching to red as soon as the locomotive has passed. and we are entering into the main line, which also serves as platform 1 in Waterkloof station. So the train just continues straight all the way in, and on the platform we can see the old style telephone booth, little kiosk, subway, and oops, I see a lady has fallen off the bench. I didn't notice that when filming. That will have to be rectified, and stopping at the red signal. While that train has stopped, the loaded coal train is coming around the curve past the cement factory at Aloes, and then also passing behind the East London Harbour. And here we're still having a look at the cement factory. There we are exiting the curve behind East London Harbour. You can see the cars waiting for export in the foreground, and the fishermen on the quay trying to catch their supper, even though there's a sign somewhere saying no fishing. And there's the lighthouse that's operational but not on at the moment, so it's daylight, and the train is entering into Waterkloof. There we can see the empty train waiting because the loaded one is occupying the main line, and here it is coming into Waterkloof to pass the empty coal train. And once the loaded coal train has cleared the line, the empty coal train can depart to go up to the mine to be loaded, to repeat the process. Wait for the signal to turn green. It has happened. You can see the signal closest to the locomotive. The top is now illuminated. That's a green light. I know it's not very clear on the video, but that is actually green. And the bottom is red. And there it changes to red as the loco has exited the platform or the main line and triggered the sensor, and therefore turns back to red. And here it is continuing. In the background there's a burst pipe with a guy with a wheelbarrow carting some dirt away, and there's a guy inside the little hole there busy digging with a pickaxe, but that's not very visible. And here the train is behind East London Harbour again, and rounding the curve to start the climb up to Vlakteplaas and then Bloemfontein, and thereafter to the staging yard at Power that represents the coal mine. So the empty train is accelerating a bit to climb quite a steep, about a 6% incline up to Vlakteplaas, where it is entering now, and entering into the passing siding, which, that's the passing track, which is the main line. The first track is the passenger platform, and that is actually to deviate from the main line is the passenger platform. And here we wait again for a signal. The semaphore signals are in use at Vlakteplaas, and here we are exiting with the loaded coal train from Waterkloof en route to the power station at Power. It has to do a lap around from Waterkloof to the opposite side of the garage where the layout is situated, past Aloes, and then from Aloes it will climb behind Waterkloof and up to the upper level. Again, we see the signal changing to green and the route indication showing main line. So we are going on the main line in Aloes, again past a little farm scene, but this time in the opposite direction with a different train. We now have the loaded coal train and not the empty coal train. So we are going past the farm scene, and then the train will be exiting Aloes and entering the main line behind East London Harbour. Here we are moving past the auto factory or car manufacturer at Aloes. As we are moving down the line, quite soon we will see the curve around. Okay, we're still coming past Aloes, And yeah, we see the station master standing ready to hand over the tablet to give clearance to the locomotive and the train to be on this section of track from Allows up to Power, and then at Power it runs into the staging yard. Here we come to the curve behind East London Harbour. This is the entrance. It's actually almost like a U shape. On the one side there's the entrance to the harbour, and on the other side there is the dockside itself, and on the back end, or the, yeah, so we say the rear of the harbour, is the oil storage tanks and also the main line going past there that we saw in a previous shot. And here we are entering into Power and just coming up the incline, and there's the big power station that will be fed all of this coal so it can produce electricity. And the train is going into the staging yard, which is hidden by a nice big mountain rock face in front of it, and therefore you can see there's a mirror that is showing you where to stop the train. And here we are departing from Vlakteplaas. The semaphore signal is in the upper position, upper quadrant signals, with a little green light shining, and therefore we can depart. The train is now en route to Bloemfontein, and from Bloemfontein to the coal mine. Also entering into the staging yard at the coal mine. It's a double-ended staging yard with 4 staging tracks. And there we are entering Bloemfontein. And there you can see at the bottom the other end of the East London Harbour. The 2 tracks furthest to the back are the mainline tracks, and the one in front is actually leading into the harbour, and the one that's got the few freight cars on it is a head shunt for Waterkloof. Here we are exiting Bloemfontein station and going past some of the businesses that are actually in Bloemfontein, although these are not modelled on the actual businesses. I've just borrowed their names. And then we are entering into the hidden staging yard. Again, you can see out of focus in the top right hand corner the mirror that will show where the train has to stop. So we are slowly coming to the end of this video, and there we are. The train has reached its destination. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.